Hold down. I'm about to roll up to Casa de Martin, and we're gonna be putting on his catch can for the snack pack.
Are you recording?
I am, sir.
Okay. So I installed. Dude, you're gonna break this.
Dude, you've already broken it. I'm helping you.
They don't know yet.
Here it is, dude.
Yeah, the strip.
The infamous O2 sensor. Well, damn. Sorry.
My neighbor's looking at me. Some interior lights for the car. I got the trunk lid. It's super easy. Hola, ¿cómo estamos? Okay. I bought some diode
dynamics.
Interior lights. These are super easy to install. You can little prying tool. There we go. I just used a flathead screw. Dude, what's the deal?
Is there a sticker in here or not, dude? Nice.
Like I was saying, I bought the diode dynamic interior lights for the car, and they make a map light, the map light, but then they don't make anything for this. But I asked some people, and it's like a LED, like solenoid that's like
solenoid.
Yeah, that's like you can't take out. You'd have to unplug the wire for this thing to freaking
not do it.
Yeah, to
Should
not
we
be
unplug
working.
it? I'll snip it. I don't care.
Nah.
Oh, you're scared.
I'm not trying to snip it.
Why?
I'm just trying to unplug a wire so that thing's not on. Cause look, that looks horrible. I have these.
So you're telling me you want to look cheap?
I think what I'm gonna buy next from them is what is this? A vanity mirror type of thing? I'm gonna try to buy these lights, and then
you got lights galore, dude.
Too. I bought the HID replacement bulb, but it's only a replacement if the car already has HIDs, and I guess this one doesn't. It has a bi-functioning halogen projector.
Sure.
So you know what that is, right?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Pop the hood. Whoa. 2JZ.
She's pretty warm. Today we're gonna install the Billet technology oil catch can, like we showed you guys. It should be a pretty easy thing to do. Put the camera on me, come on.
All right.
So you need this on your 6.4, and I'm 8,000 miles in and I haven't put it on. I don't want to touch it, it's pretty hot. Yeah, so we have no idea how to put on this catch can.
Dude, you're not supposed to say that.
Okay, we have a great knowledge of how to put this catch can on. So we're gonna get to it first.
Turn the car on.
Yeah, turn it on.
You're gonna pull this out and let it dangle.
Be all wangala.
Take this off.
Actually?
Yeah. Let's put this back. That was just a dumb joke. I don't know.
Are you saying you have no knowledge about
No,
real
I
muscle?
have great knowledge.
Dude, that's tight. That's carbon. That's tight.
Don't buy those, dude.
Dude, I like these. You guys like this
Why do you?
shit?
No. Hey, 20 likes on this video and Martine will take these off. Deal? So you're gonna take this off. You're gonna leave this nipple here, the rubber one. This is the female. This is the male. Take this out, dude.
You got it.
With one hand?
Yeah.
Come on, dude. Help a brother out here. All right, step number 1. Yo.
Damn.
All right,
well,
step number 1 is done. It's done already. This is supposed to have a Christmas tree in here.
This right there. Is it broken in there?
Yes. All right, so step number 1. You're gonna take this out. It's supposed to be in here like that, but it's broken. Next step.
I did a rookie mistake and I dropped the freaking... It's in there.
Dude, why would you do that?
Oh, I don't think this is getting... I think this goes on here. I think we go like this. Or, no, it's on the other side. Yeah, like this. And then this spacer goes in between. And then it goes where you take out that Christmas tree right there. Just try not to be a rookie. I did a rookie mistake. Make sure it goes in straight so you don't cross thread the thing. Dude, this block is hot, man.
It's not going in straight.
No, I can't get it right, dude. The block, you want to try? Here,
No,
you're
no.
over here talking shit.
This bolt right here is a 13. It's gonna go in. Oh, I'm kind of scared.
I'm telling you, it's hot. And while we're trying to thread this thing in, we're also gonna push out the Christmas tree that
That broke inside of there.
yeah. So we're knocking.
Dude, this is hot.
I told you. It's been like an hour since it. Ah, he
You
got
set
it
me
in
up,
there.
dude. You set me up to burn myself.
Shit. Oh, that thing's coming out. The freaking Christmas tree. I think that's why it's so hard. Look,
Oh yeah.
it's broken. Come on, get in there. Oh, son of a biscuit, dude.
Wait.
Oh, I don't have that much space. Does it move?
I have one more crank.
Oh,
Well, damn.
Son of a biscuit, dude. Last one.
All right, that's it, Chauncey.
Don't do it!
It's all right. I'm trained in this area. Just barely though.
Is it twisted?
Of course. All right. So we got the longer one. This one goes here because it's longer. It's farther away. Put that here. We're gonna put this here. And then we're gonna cut at the
Yeah, what you
The
want to
U.
do is measure it out. Cut it a little bit longer if you have to, because if you cut it too short,
You're
there's no going back. So
voila.
so that's pretty much the fitment that you want.
Yeah, I don't get much better than this, Chauncey. Hit me up to put all your catch cans on. Imagine I cut it too short.
That one's hard.
That's what she said.
I can't tell if that's all the way in though. That's the thing.
That should be good. Slide the metal thing back. Don't hold my hand, dude. I have a girlfriend, Martine. That should be good, doggy.
Yeah,
All right.
badass. Now let's hope my mommy doesn't come in time to see me modding my car out. All we have to do is put this back on.
10 likes. And Martine will take these off, dude.
Get out the way. I need leverage from this side. Oh, I was way off. There we go.
Thank you, sir, for another
right.
wonderful install.
Yeah, so far it's 2 for the Charger, 0 for the Stang.
Dude, that's because the Mustang is already faster than this. You need to catch up. That's what I'm saying.
He knows what's up. Let me help a brother out.
Man, that thing goes just as fast as your car, dog.
Yeah. That's not how I wanted it to go. Alright, you guys. That's gonna be it for the video. Thanks again for tuning in. But we're gonna have a lot of great content for you guys. Gonna do a lot of modifications to mine and Ben's car. Go to a lot of car meets, car shows, some possible drag racing events and stuff
15
like that.
likes and we'll go to Red List.
I can go to Red List no matter what. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope to see you guys later. Peace out.